Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unlock and remove battery. Now remove optical drive screw. Next, use screwdriver to slide out and remove optical drive. Next, press in tabs and turn over keyboard. Now disconnect and remove keyboard. Now remove bottom base screws. Then disconnect palmrest cables. Now remove palmrest screws. Next, use fingertips to separate bottom base from palmrest. Now use thin object to pry out CMOS battery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.